And it's milk again. You're probably wondering, like, why are we here? I thought the series ended. Well, Line, we were just gonna say thank you for everything you've done for us and Shumsy Boy behind the camera. Yay, I get mentioned. Now shut up. Okay. You two idiots, just stop talking. Stop. Just. Sorry, but you're under arrest. Why? Because I said so. The new series, In the Fridge, is gonna start like in a week or two. We don't know because Gen Z is a messy person and yeah, he doesn't write stuff down. This is the clip of his room. There's even a kitchen in his room. Oh my gosh, he's so messy. Just look at all those clothes on the floor. There's boxes everywhere and drawers are open and stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna go and die in this box. So roll the clip of my famous line. This was the Fridge Chaos. This is the final time of Fridge Chaos. And the door is slowly closing on its own. Okay, thank you. Hope you enjoyed. It's been a lot of fun making these episodes. And, yeah. So, that was our new story in the